Sanibona bafethu uvani lo. So namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngocoach omusha weOrlando Pirates. Ngiyamazi bafethu ucoach omusha uAbdeslam Wadu. Ucoach ke lo bafethu ufike kwisquad seOrlando Pirates eshishayo. Njobe efike nje kwisquad seOrlando Pirates eshishayo kule season vele Orlando Pirates isiyenze ama signings answembu phezulu kwale squad abanaso right now. Ama signings abanjengo Siphombula, ama signings abanjengo Osuna Police, ama signings abanjengo Morem, ama signings abanjengo Yanela Mbuthuma, ama signings anjengo Sibelebele. Yabo, if you remember Orlando Pirates last season indlela yadlala ngakhona kwi league yayenza kahle kakhulu Orlando Pirates, but into yashaya i-depth. I-depth Orlando Pirates ayingenayo. Ibonile ukuthi kuleli windi leli cha, asithengeni abadlali abazo-eda equality kule ndawo eshoda kuzona. Sibonile ke lapha ku defense ba-edile another center back uCM eliqhamuka ku-TS Galaxy. Ba-eda lapha kuma white back, ba-eda bani, ba-eda uNdaba, ba-eda uMashiliyoni. Mathi kuma-wingers ba-eda uSibelebele, ba-eda uTshepo Morem, ba-eda uOsuna Police. Ku-number 10 ade sasikhala ngeposition ya number 10 ukuthi we need a number 10 ozokwazi ukukhompyutha nabo Tito, ozokwazi ukukhompyutha nabo Dlamini. Ba-eda umdlali lapha ukubani uSiphombula. Kwathi nalapha phambili striking position ba-eda Yanela Mbuthuma. So Orlando Pirates in all positions i-right iqinile. Yabo i-goalkeeper kuphela lapho khona benga-edanga lutho because ukhona uButhelezi, ukhona uChain, ukhona noDladla. Yabo, so I don't think Orlando Pirates iyaleka kakhulu lapho. So ngithe sengiyibheka lento wathi Orlando Pirates kule season izodlala ama games ayi-59. Kulama games ayi-59 azodlala ama games ayi-4 eMTN. Idlala ama games ayi-30 kwi-league. Idlale ama games ayi-4 kwi-Carling Knockout. Masizodlala 5 games kwi-Nedbank Cup. Idlale 16 games kwi-CAF Champions League masubala nama-prelims. I-competition yokuqala bafethu. Ngizoqala nje i-competition yokuqala lapho khona siyazi ku-Orlando Pirates ihlale inenhlanhla yokuyiwina le competition. Last season sabona i-Orlando Pirates idlula kwi-Cape Town City, yaphinde futhi yadlula kwi-SuperSport United. Yabo, yafika kwi-final yashaya iStellenbosch, yayithatha i-MTN. Sijwayele ukuyiwina i-MTN ngengcile kakhulu kuyona, but engakusho ukuthi ucoach mehluleke kuyiwina le MTN le. I think ama-fans azoqala asukuhlehla kancane kuyena, but ke hey, ngangitshela ama-comments ingabe ucoach kumele ayiwine le cup le noma nje kumele siyekele amanye ama-team ayiwine because we have a bigger prize in picture. Masukuthi competition elandelayo kuzolandela i-Carling Knockout. Siyazi ke bafethu i-Carling Knockout last season Orlando Pirates ayenzanga kahle ngoba sashawa ama-champions ayiwina leya cup leya iMagesi FC. iMagesi FC I feel like uJose Rivero wayithatha kancane. The way we approach the games I-approach ngokuthi okay, abadlali vele bafocuse kuma-Champions League, bafocuse kumanye ama-competitions, sifocuse na kwi-league. Let's try and do i-squad rotation. Sashaya i-squad rotation against iMagesi FC vele edinga imoral yokuthi isathana ngena vele kwi-Betway Premiership. So they needed to beat Orlando Pirates just to boost yabo i-confidence yabo ukuthi benze kahle kwi-league, benze kahle na kule competition. So against Orlando Pirates vele bona ngokwabo bebefuna ukuyishaya iPirates, bayishaya ngempela ke Orlando Pirates ngo-3-2. So Orlando Pirates last season ayenzanga kahle kule season. I'm sure ucoach utsheliwe ukuthi le competition kumele ayiwine. Yabo 4 games nayo if yayifanana njenge-MTN. So it's a must to be honest. Ade Orlando Pirates ayigcina ukuyiwina le ndebe le-Carling Knockout because ngiyakhumbula ngempela iMamelodi Sundowns ishawe iMagesi lapha kwi-final ngo-2-1. iMagesi yayishisa ngempela last season. So kule season le akumele ama-teams wathathe kancane, kumele senze sure ukuthi mesishaya squad rotation sishaya squad rotation ngabadlali vele abayi-quality because last season sashaya squad rotation most abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala, most yabo bebengajwayele ukudlala like abo-Karen Kimvidi, abo-Raseboja. Right now Raseboja ulimele, yabo. So we need players abane-quality asingashintsha ngabo. I'm not saying abo-Raseboja, abo-Kimvidi abanayo quality, but let's say sihlalisa bani umdlalo njengoDlamini ebenchini. Uyasihlalisa umdlalo njengoDlamini kudlala bani? Kudlala uSiphombula. Yabo, mekufika ama-games akanjalo siyashintsha sifaka uDlamini, oSibelebele siyabafaka ama-games akanjalo. uSibelebele equality, abo-Tshepo Morem equality. Yabo, ama-games akanjalo adinga abadlali abayi-quality, but we must make sure ukuthi ama-games siyawawina and siwawina early. Lento leyo ukuthi i-game kuze kushawa 70 minutes kusawu 1-1 iyona lento edala ukuthi i-team ingasenzi squad rotation. We can do squad rotation during the game. Do i-squad rotation, i-game niyiqede kahle first half, shaya 3-0. Imagine u-game usuyiwina u-3-0 kwi-first half, uzonikeza abadlali abangajwayele ukudlala ithuba second half, yabo. Mase kulandele i-league. Ngokwami i-league bafethu, i-league iyona competition engingasho ngempela ukuthi i-marathon. Iyona competition engingasho ukuthi i-marathon. I-Orlando Pirates last season yazama ngempela ngifugqama bafethu. Yazama last season ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi izama ukuyiwina, but ke asikwazanga ukuyiwina because most of our players last season ashawa mfethu bashawa ama-injury lapho esibadinga khona abadlali abanjengosesane. Ukulimala kwaSesane singasho ngempela ukuthi kwasilimaza is Orlando Pirates because uSesane was one of those guys lapha emuva owayebambile lapha ziqinile ngempela. Umbatha wayenokulimala naye Umbatha simdinga ngempela Umbatha angatholakali kuma games abalekile. Enye yezinto lezo eyabulala iOrlando Pirates momentum yaphela ngempela iOrlando Pirates because second half of the season most players beOrlando Pirates balimala. Most players adlala ngempela eOrlando Pirates ayevela limali isidingo singekho, yabo. So ingakho iPirates ibonile manje ukuthi no man, we need players that can add ivalue. Salanda nabo Sihlonduli, yabo. Sengikhohle umbalo Sihlonduli is another player we bought. So kule season le I see Orlando Pirates yenza kahle, but ke yonke into ilele ku Abdeslam Wadu. Yonke izinto zilele kuyena. Right now unabo abadlali. Nedbank Cup, we didn't win in Nedbank Cup. There were issues at the game, but ke angifuni ukudwela kakhulu kuyona. We won ama Nedbank Cups ama season elandelana, so ngeke ngikhala kakhulu ngeNedbank Cup. So kule season kumele senze sure ukuthi siyayithatha na iNedbank Cup. I'm not putting pressure kubadlali, but we have a squad that is capable of doing that. Never mind the preseason. Yes, we won one game good preseason, but never mind the preseason. We have a squad of players that are capable of winning Lama Cup competitions and the Nama League titles now. So in Nedbank Cup, I don't think Orlando Pirates ingaba nenkinga ngaleyo ndlela because we are used to going to my finals. Yabo kuma finals siyakwazi ukuwina, even though the last final we played we didn't win it, but we know how to go kuma finals. We have a squad right now. Even though we lost Unkota, there's a possibility of losing Mfukeng, but I think the players we bought, they have that thing, they have that winning mentality around them. So angazi ngempela ngangitshela ama comments wena ngokwakho, but for me we have Champions League. I think the team will do well. We have Champions League, even though abafani most abajite sibasayinile bengena experience at 10 we have Champions League, but also Napolis is that player okunikeza something. Sambona uphethe kwiAfcon also Napolis, so he can give you something. Also Napolis Sihlenduli, he played in the CAF Confed, so nayo unaleyo nto leyo. Sipho Mbuli, I think Sipho Mbuli played with CAF Champions League with the Mamelodi Sundowns, so umshidu na experience na. So the group of players we bought in bana experience, yabo, because isquad vele lesi most yabo bebedlalela bafana sinoxolo kwayiba bebedlalela bafana. So Abdeslam Wadu unalo italent kuzoba kuyena ukuthi isiphi ischeme asikhethayo. Asazi noma uzokwazi ukuwawina lama competitions, but kumele awawine lama competitions. Awukwazi ukuthi usayinwele abadlali abangaka. Yes, I know ufike wedwa, technical team yakho awunayo, but coach, you are the coach. You are the one who is calling the shots at Orlando Pirates. If the team doesn't do well, you are responsible because we have a group of players who know how to play e-ball. For me, I think a coach is capable of ukwathatha lama competition. 59 games. Kumele akwazi ukuhlukanisa ukuthi okay, kumele ngibe negame ezu2. Kumele kwazi ukuthi okay, abadlali abakanje kumele ngibazi kuma manage. Sinabadlali abaningi kakhulu ukuthi singahlulile lama games lawo. Kumele ahlukaniswe ama games. Siyazi usimapha ama games kumele siwawine. We have 6 games ekumele siwawine, home and away. Stellenbosch kule game kumele siwine home, kumele siwine away. Kaizer Chiefs kumele siwine home, kumele siwine away. Mamelodi Sundowns kumele siwine home, siwine away. If we manage to win those 6 games home and away, yini engasihlula ukuthi sishaye wonke lama team akhona kwiBetway Premiership. Miyase sikwazi ukuwina home and away between these 3 teams, because I'm saying Stellenbosch because Orlando Pirates vele hlezi struggle against Stellenbosch. I'm saying Mamelodi Sundowns because vele hlezi struggle against Sundowns. Kaizer Chiefs 6 points. Oh come on, Kaizer Chiefs hlezi ishaya ukudla kwethu lokho. But ke if we manage to win these 3 games, I think ileague izoba lula for Orlando Pirates. But ungangitshela ama comments wena ngokwakho, do you think uzokwazi ukuwawina lama cup noma cha.